So today we are leaving Cairns and we are heading to Paranella Park, which isn't that far at all. It's about an hour, I think, an hour and a half drive, but it looks so cool. What do you think? So that'll be cool. We've been in Cairns for, I don't know, like a week or something, staying at the Big 4 Cairns Coconut, and it's been awesome. Have you liked it, Riley? You've liked it? What's been your favourite part?
Everything.
Everything. That's always a good thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
You looking forward to the next place?
Right hand just over there.
Yeah, we've got our friends over there. Just arrived at Nina Creek Hotel behind it. We're staying at the paddock behind it so we can go and have a look at Paranella Park.
That's the one.
So we're filling up.
But they are powered sites.
Yeah, powered sites, and you get access to the tour all day and the night tour.
Yep.
Woohoo. Eddy Bay Caravan Park, so we're just here for the night and we're off to Josephine Falls now, so that will be fun.
So we just got done at Josephine Falls. Beautiful swimming hole. Love the slippery dips down the rocks. The kids had a ball, but now it's just time for some lunch. What are we having, dear?
Wraps.
Having wraps. Tomato, ham, cheese, coleslaw,
some blueberries,
lettuce, blueberries for the kids.
Yeah.
Tuna, some muesli bars, and some snacks before we take off. How was Josephine Falls, boys? Good? Yeah, we loved it. What about you, Chloe Shark? Have a nana?
Look at this setup. What's happening here?
Well, I'm not sure if all of you are aware, but I'm a bit of a freshwater fisherman from home. So when it comes to saltwater, I don't really have a great idea what I'm doing, but I'm going to give it a go. So I just sorted out my tackle box. I'm separating all the freshwater gear. Gone and bought some saltwater gear, just some Kmart stuff to get me going. And I'm going to load up that tackle box there with some saltwater gear. So hope I can get a fish to show you guys.
Fingers crossed.
What are you doing?
I am doing the washing.
Scrubber bag.
Well, a little bit of washing anyway.
Alright. Cold water or hot?
We'll do, I reckon, hot.
Alright, so once you've got everything in there, including your water and detergent, roll that over like so. Just keep rolling. I'll just keep going down with that one to the deflator. And twist them around, flip it in. Undo this little deflator here, and just remove the air from it. Alright. Do that back up. And then you're good to start scrubbing. So now we're just tipping out the water, with the detergent water. And then we'll fill it again with water to rinse it. So then we'll just scrub it and roll it around again. Tip that water out and then we can dry it. Bit of fresh water. This will be our rinse.
Oh my dear Lord.
Oh.
What happened? Yes, it went everywhere.
Oh dear.
This is going to be fun to clean.
Oh no!
Oh dear. It's not funny. for watching another episode. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to never miss out on any of our adventures around Australia. So much more amazing content coming your way. And also make sure, if you haven't already, go check out our Cape York blog on our website. Thanks for watching.